Gives us the most energy available for the go-around should we need it. A few features of the synthetic vision that shouldn't be overlooked. One is, most importantly, the path marker, the little green circle with the 3 tick marks on it, which represent the wings and the tail of the aircraft. That's the center of mass of this aircraft and where it's going. And as we like it, it's going straight to the threshold. The glide path is center. We're over the outer marker. It's blinking. We have a centered course needle. So these are all the things we need. We're watching airspeed. Till we get sight of the runway, we probably want somewhere between 110 and 120. Right now we're doing that with about 400 pounds of torque. Might need to push it up a little here if we, but we're really at this point, we're wanting to be ready for the next notch of flaps. So decidedly, once we get the runway in sight, we would come off the autopilot and maybe pitch up just, skosh to get that 112 for the landing flaps. Runway's in sight. There's that 112. Flaps come in, we put the pitch back, and all's right with the world. It's incumbent upon us.
November 6 Echo Romeo, left close traffic approved, pattern altitude 2000.
Not to go above 112 at this point. It's also incumbent not to add those flaps until we're looking at a runway, because we want 100 knots in this aircraft until all turns are completed, regardless of weather. Runway is in sight, of course.
$500.
All right, 3 green flaps landing.
I heard cleared to land, and I don't see anybody on the runway.
Nope, runway looks clear.
Minimums.
All right, runway in sight, clear to land.
And we're looking for 90 over the numbers, 85 in the flare-ish. And I feel that trim running, that's a good thing. Going to get it to the flare point and then just hold it still. Yep, looking good right there, a little right rudder, just a little, yep. Back pressure, brakes, and beta, all 3. Get
November
us
6 Echo Romeo, extend down 1 to cart base.
smoothest roll out.
November 0 Yankee Papa, turn right next taxiway, which is Charlie, then a right on hotel, remain this frequency.
Right on Charlie, right on hotel, stay with you, Yankee Papa.
Endeavor 4786, Chattanooga Tower.
Chattanooga, Dick Rochfort, fly safely.
Wait for it.
But we have a passenger up for the
Train off.
Endeavor 4786, rudder hold short of runway 20, advise ready.
Rochfort 20, advise when ready.